Howdy folks, so today I'm going to be welcome to my newest project. This is a 2004 WRX. I bought it last week, which is early May 2020. This car, I was attracted to it because it has, it's got some nice parts on it. It has a Cobb downpipe. You can see here, it was tuned at boost creep, made 254 wheel horsepower, so that's kind of cool. The car had some compression issues. It had zero compression on cylinder 4.
Check engine light came on and started flashing, and I was like, uh-oh. And I got it checked out by a mechanic that I know, and yeah, he tested the compression and it was zero compression, so he wasn't sure if it was like a bottom end rebuild, or you said that you had the same problem on yours and it was it the exhaust valve?
The car has body damage or replaced body pieces all over. The back has this black hatch because he said the back glass got broken, so it was just cheaper to put the whole black hatch on there. On the side, it got swiped. He said he was playing with some friends in the snow and a truck swiped it, so the doors got hit. This right rear wheel actually has some negative camber, unfortunately. What would I like to do to this car? Well, I want to get the body straight. I want to get the headlights switched back to OEM and get a good hood on there and get the bumper painted. With the engine, I want to do a hybrid build. I want to do a STI short block and retain the EJ20 heads. And the reason I want to do that is because I did a similar build on my 2003 WRX, and it had really good low-end torque. And I think partially that was due to the higher compression ratio of putting an STI short block with the EJ20 heads. It's something like 9-to-1 roughly. On that car, I did not chamber match the heads, and on this one I want to. So I will be attempting to chamber match the cylinder heads myself, which I will document. The other things I'd like to do this car is a brake upgrade. I've heard that the 2006, 2007 WRX brakes are a nice upgrade for this car. I don't think I can quite afford the STI Brembos, but that would be cool too. The other thing I'm going to do is I want to have this car pass emissions, and so my friend Rob is going to modify the downpipe and put in a high flow cat that will still be able to run 300 wheel horsepower, but pass emissions here in Boulder County, which is pretty strict. Rob is also the one building the motor for this car. He has a company called Kit Performance, and so check them out. He does really great work. He will be assembling the STI short block for this car, so it will be getting honed and polished crankshaft, crank bearings, pistons, connecting rods, all that stuff new, piston rings. So I'm really excited to have a fresh short block for this car. In the cylinder head, like I said, I'll be chamber matching it myself, and then also it'll get GSC exhaust valves. If you're in the Front Range of Colorado and want to check out Rob's company, Kit Performance, I'll put his information in the description for this video. One goal I've kind of mentioned to some friends is having this car put together and ready to do a track day by the end of the summer, possibly Grid Life, Pikes Peak, if that event takes place, with COVID-19 going on and everything. So we will just see, but stay tuned for more videos. The other thing I want to show just at the end of this video is that I did sell my 2003 WRX a few days ago, a little bit reluctantly, but I think it went to a good home. And so I just want to say farewell to the 2003 WRX. I learned a lot on that car, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and really because of how that hybrid build came together, you know, that's really inspired this project, that I want to kind of take that car to the next level with this one. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There'll be more videos on this project build. Thanks for watching.